Hello, today we are going to do some standing asanas. The right time of doing this asana is the morning time with empty bladder. Let's start with the warming up. Warming up is important to increase your body temperature. You can do it 1 to 2 minutes. Jumping also. We are going to start with first asana is Tad asana.
Tad Asana. Tad means palm tree in Sanskrit. Stand erect, feet together, hands by the side of thighs. Keep the back straight and look in front. Stretch the arms upward, keep them straight and parallel to each other in vertical position with the palms facing each other. Slowly raise the heels as much as you can and stand on the toes. Stretch body up as much as possible. Maintain the position for 5 to 10 seconds comfortably. To come back, bring the heels on the first floor. Slowly bring down the hands by the side of the thighs and relax. Benefits: it gives stretch to whole body muscles. It helps in strengthening thigh, knee and ankle. By doing this asana regularly, children can increase their height. It helps to remove laziness and lethargy. It helps to treat digestion problems. It is helpful to reduce stress. It is helpful to treat hypertension. It improves the posture of our body.
Next asana is Hastotan asana.
Hastotan. Hasta means arms, Utana means stretch up, and Asana means posture. Stand erect on the ground with both feet together. Inhale slowly and raise both arms over the head. With the palms facing up, interlock your fingers. Exhale and bend from the waist towards the right side. Maintain this position comfortably for 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale and come to the center. Repeat it from left side as well. Benefits: it relaxes the whole body. It relieves the muscle pain in neck, shoulders and arms. It helps in increasing the height of growing children. It increases the flexibility of spine.
Next asana, Trikona asana, triangle posture.
Trikona Asana. Trikona word stands for triangle in Sanskrit. Stand erect, keep your legs together and hands by the side of thighs. Now open your leg 1 to 2 feet apart. Stretch the arms sideways and raise them to shoulder level. Your arms should be parallel to the ground in one straight line. Bend to the left side from the waist towards the floor. Place the left hand on the left foot. Stretch the arm up right here. The two arms will be at the angle of 180 degree. Maintain this position with the normal breathing comfortably for 5 to 10 seconds. Optimally, the right arm can be further bent towards left side, keeping arms at the angle of 90 degree. To come back, lift the left palm, straighten your trunk and bring the arms in line with the shoulder parallel to the ground. Bring down your arms and keep hands by the sides of thigh. Bring your feet together and relax. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Benefits: helps in stretching up the muscle of trunk, legs and hips. Helps improving the flexibility of spine. helps to increase the height of growing children, helps in relieving the pain in the neck and back, helps in reducing excess fat around waist, helps in improving digestion by stimulating the abdominal organs, increases blood circulation, strengthens muscles of leg, knees, chest and arms.
It is Ardha Chakra Asana.
Ardha Chakra Asana. Ardha means half, Chakra means wheel. Stand straight with the feet together and arms alongside the body. Balance your weight equally on both feet. Inhaling, extend your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Exhaling, gently bend backwards, pushing the pelvis forward, keeping the arms in line with the ears, elbows and knees straight, head up and lifting your chest outward the ceiling. Hold, inhaling, come back, up. Exhaling brings the arms down and relax. Benefits: stretches the front upper torso, tones the arms and shoulder muscles, helps in regulating the high blood pressure, cleansing effect on nervous system, helps in improving digestion, relieves stress and tension, helpful in menstrual disorders, helpful in treating leg and upper back pain.
Hastpadasana.
Hastpadasana. Stand straight, body erect. Take both arms up. Inhale. Bend down in front. Exhale. Both hands by the side. Stay in the posture. Inhale. Slowly up. Relax. Benefits: increases height, good for spine, good for stomach.
Thank you, and I hope you will practice this